Imagine this, you toss some spare change into a jar, but instead of it just sitting there, it grows with time. That's kind of the magic of investing. But how young can you start building your wealth empire? This video dives into the world of Raiz and answers the question, how old do you actually need to be to invest? Maybe you're a teenager with a summer job or a parent looking to jumpstart your kid's financial future. Whatever your situation, understanding the age requirements for Raiz is key. So, buckle up and get ready to unlock your investing potential. The power of early starts. Let's face it, adults are busy. Between work, bills, and that ever-growing Netflix queue, saving and investing can often fall by the wayside. But the beauty of starting young is that time becomes your greatest ally. Even small amounts invested early on can snowball into something much bigger thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of it like a seed. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow into a mighty oak tree. So, if you're considering investing for yourself or your child, know that an early start can make a world of difference. Who can invest with Raiz? All right, enough with the metaphors, let's get down to brass tacks. Here in Australia, Raiz has specific guidelines about who can open an account. The minimum age to open a standard Raiz account is 18 years old. This makes sense, as at 18 you're considered a legal adult and have full control over your finances. With a Raiz account, you can choose from a variety of investment options, from low risk to high risk, depending on your goals and risk tolerance. But wait, there's more. Raiz offers a fantastic feature called Raiz Kids. Raiz Kids, investing for the future's MVPs. Raiz Kids allows parents or guardians to set up investment accounts for children under 18. This is a fantastic way to get your little ones thinking about saving and growing their money early on. Here's the cool part, there's no minimum age requirement to open a Raiz Kids account. You can literally start saving for your child's future the day they're born. Imagine the possibilities. College fund? Dream vacation? With Raiz Kids, you're laying the foundation for their financial well-being. How does Raiz Kids work? Opening a Raiz Kids account is simple and can be done through the Raiz app. As a parent or guardian, you manage the account and choose the investment strategy. You can set up automatic contributions, round up your spare change from everyday purchases, or make lump sum deposits. Then, the magic happens. Raiz invests your contributions into a diversified portfolio based on your chosen risk level. When your child reaches 18, they can take full control of their Raiz Kids account and continue investing on their own. Raiz Kids, a few things to remember. While Raiz Kids is an awesome tool, there are a few things to keep in mind. Since the account is under your control, the funds cannot be legally accessed by the child until they turn 18. Additionally, any investment carries some level of risk, so it's important to choose an age-appropriate investment strategy for your child's Raiz Kids account. The takeaway, get started today. Whether you're 18 or you're looking to jumpstart your child's financial future, Raiz offers a user-friendly platform to start investing. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, ditch the piggy bank and explore the world of investing with Raiz. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.